Cirrus final 27 Tuscola. So we're looking for 80 knots. There's our windsock off to the left side of the approaching runway. It's stiff. Yeah, that's all we need to know. And touchdown, basically 200 feet, if we can predict where an actual touchdown zone is, which I can't. Almost looks like there's snow on the ground. Yeah, there is. And on the brakes. Interesting surface. Yes, there's an asphalt. Or, I don't even know what the hell it is. I definitely think it's a tarred surface for sure. Yeah. It's an icy tarred surface. Holy crap, this is a nice runway, man. That's awesome. Alright, you're gonna do the takeoff.